please help me in presenting this year's Lady of Soul Award presented by Ciroc to my wife, Miss Faith Renee Evans-Jordan.
Thank you, husband. Wow, thank God. God is so amazing. I'm not really good at the speech thing with awards because I'm not used to receiving them, but of course, first of all, thank God for just the blessing of still being here. And to my mom, Helene, who's here, thank you for making sure I was involved in the culture and involved in musical things, no matter whether they were in church or not. Thank you to my grandmother. Happy 85th birthday. For keeping me in the church. And rest in peace to my dad, Bob Kennedy. Thank you guys for raising me right. Shout out to all my family, Brick City. I love y'all. My Brooklyn family, my Florida family. A big thanks to Kayama Griffin and Three Boys from Newark for introducing me to the likes of Christopher Williams and Al B. Shore, who then introduced me to Sean Puff Daddy Combs. And I'm sending many condolences and prayers to the Combs and the family of Kim Porter. May she rest in peace. Thanks to Cheryl Flowers Briggs, who was a friend who became my road manager, then my manager, for just being like the Ethel to my Lucy over all these years. Flavor Unit Management, Mark Pitts Management, shout out to Kenneth Creer and Tyvee Turman. My children, China, who's up here, CJ, Josh, and Ryder, thank you guys for just understanding the sacrifice. I want to dedicate this award to my faithfuls because it's so crazy to not be like the biggest commercially selling artist by far, but just to have a group of fans out there that just support me regardless. So, and last but certainly not least, to the late Don Cornelius and the Soul Train family, thank you guys for always acknowledging me.